Peppa family are flying a kite. Hello my little artists. Today we are going to color a super fun picture of Peppa Pig and her family. Are you ready? Let's start with Peppa. Peppa is a very cute pig. In this picture, we are going to use our cream color. I'm coloring her face and those little ears cream. That's right, cream. Don't forget to color her hands and her legs too. For that little chick, I'm going to use my pink color. That's right, pink, because she is so cute. Her tongue is red, just like a strawberry. Now, let's color her dress. Peppa loves red, so I'm going to use red color for her dress. Wow! She is so happy! We almost forgot. Don't forget her little brown shoes. That's right, brown. Now, it's Mommy Pig's turn. Hello, Mommy Pig. You are so kind. I'm going to color you cream. Her face, her arms, legs, and tail are cream. Excellent job! Don't forget to color her cheek too. It's pink. That's right, pink. Mommy Pig loves orange, so let's make her happy and color her dress orange, her favorite color. Remember to color her shoes too. They are brown. Daddy Pig is very strong. He is wearing a nice green shirt. But first of all, let's color him. I'm using my cream color again. Peppa family are at the park. They are standing on water holes and they are flying their favorite kite. They are so happy. Don't forget to color Daddy Pig's cheek too. That's pink. Daddy Pig loves the color green. Let's color his shirt green. Mommy Pig is wearing an orange dress. Peppa Pig is wearing a red dress. And Daddy Pig is wearing a green t-shirt. Wow! I love these colors. Orange, red, and green. They are my favorite colors. Daddy Pig's shoes are, that's right, brown. Peppa loves to fly kites, so let's color her kite a beautiful yellow and orange, so it looks really pretty in the sky. Yellow and orange. Great job to all of you! Your painting looks wonderful. Now you can look at your paintings and be happy. Today we're going to color Peppa's family together. Here we see Mrs. Pig, Mr. Pig, Peppa Pig, and George. Let's start with George. Here I'm using my light pink. Yes, light pink. Color with me. George is 2 years old. He is so playful. Let's color George's cheeks with sparkly pink. George loves blue, so let's color his clothes blue. That's right, my favorite color blue. Wow, look what do we have here? Peppa. We'll start with light pink. Peppa is 4 years old. She is so smart and curious. Let's color Peppa's cheek pink. Now, her clothes are red. That's right, red, because she loves red. Great job! Color with me. Now it's time to color Mommy Pig. With her beautiful eyes and long eyelashes, we'll start with light pink. Mommy Pig is Peppa and George's kind and patient mother. She always takes care of her babies. I love Mommy Pig. Don't forget to color Mommy Pig's cheeks too. Mommy Pig loves orange, and she's wearing a beautiful orange dress. George's clothes is blue, Peppa's dress is red, and Mommy Pig's dress is orange. Kids, keep going. You are doing an excellent job. Well done. Look at Daddy Pig. He is so funny. He wears glasses to see everything clearly. Let's color him. Let's use our pink color again. Kids, do you love Peppa Pig? It's the amazing animation. Don't forget to color Daddy Pig's arms and legs too. Let's color Daddy Pig's cheek. It's pink. What color is Daddy Pig's clothes? That's right, green. Green is the best color for Daddy Pig's clothes. I love Peppa Pig Family. They're always happy. They play games and they love each other. We are almost done. Excellent! We did it! Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell for more coloring videos. Bye!